we got?
Looks like it's pretty clear sailing there, Mama.
Truly amazing.
These boys got her all figured out. I know, let's not get up close and personal here with the Mercedes. It'll lose. It's one of them ride your ass in fiberglass deals. So, anybody like the shape of them Ford Transits over there? Look at the damn thing. Looks like a loaf of bread on wheels. Rye, please. Rye's my choice. No, not rich white. Oh, wheat's not bad. Look at the damn thing. What is world comfort?
I had a deer jump my car in between this one day. Literally jumped the Honda.
No, we're really not fishtailing here. It's Mama with camera. Just want to give a couple shout outs to people that's been liking the videos there and increasing likes and whatnot, helping us out. Hello, Dev. How you doing, buddy? Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, hopefully. Anyways, enough of you. Carry on. And my little sister, Crystal. Her and her Bambino there watch the videos. She likes just about every one I got. I do think she's just really kind. She don't really like them. She just falls asleep watching them, happens to hit the button. Yeah,
No,
probably.
Rocky goes to sleep with his Uncle Sean's voice.
Yeah, she's got Rocky with her there. Kid's probably, he's a couple months old now. Probably already eating pork chops and 27-inch pizzas.
He was born December 31st, thank you.
Alright.
No, he wasn't. He was born January 1st. Correction.
Yeah, first baby of the new year.
Rockville General Hospital.
Rockville General, congrats again. Andy was pretty dandy and got the deal done. So, what do you think, Crystal? Good season with derbies and girls coming up. Rocky out there in his race suit there.
327 Motorsports, of course.
First thing he was get is a big old handful of grease right in the eye. Fixes his immune system if it needs any help. No, don't worry, I done it with all my kids, and y'all seen them on the videos. Of course, not didn't fall far from the tree. Most of them are mental.
I didn't want to bring it up. You still haven't got your hamburger.
No, I used to love Crystal for a hamburger all the time. One day she showed right up the track with one. Well, that ended that. So I haven't said much more. But
Lies. Lies.
Yeah, that's fine. If anybody wants to help me out, I like hamburgers. I'll give me quarter pounder with cheese, extra pickles. Keeping it real. Yep, nobody in the rhubarb yet. Well, what do we got here? Oh, Ken Kelly going down 401. Oh, probably not. CAA. Thought it was.
Oh my god.
America.
Oh, we got a cop. We got a cop. Woo woo.
How you doing, fella? Not catching us today, no. Have a good day. Take care now. Bye-bye then. Coming up to the big old town of Napanee, but still, Fall Guys 1, it's 0. Buddy of mine on Facebook there, he's large and in charge on the plowing there. We'll see how they do up here. His name's Mario. He majority of the time plows the 401 up and down there from I think about Shannonville or maybe on up to Belleville down to Napanee. I don't know, hats off to you guys. I mean, we just sent it with early vacation.
Shit.
Got the window down. Oh, there goes my toupee out the window. It'll be a cold day.
Like even the ramps.
A lot of people like to bug the plow guys, shit on them for, the roads and driveways and all that, you know. It's not always the easiest thing to do. You pick up a shovel full of snow and it's too heavy for you and you want the plow guy to do it. Just imagine what they're doing to their trucks and everything else. The stress that's going.
Look what we got. Look what we got.
We got two. Yes.
Oh, they were just conversating.
I think they was wanting to have a sword fight. We got one there that looks jackknife, and the other guy just stopped just in the nick of time. Doesn't look like they made contact, but
Just having a nap.
nope.
It's unusual for them to be there, though.
No, not really. The last couple of storms are there. I don't think they understand the wind blowing the snow out the hill there. Creates a drift, they catch her. Sucks them in. You know, just like a pair of boozles. Anyway. So we did see one casualty of war.
Hopefully no one was hurt.
No. Don't want anybody hurt, that's for sure. Everybody like to be home with their families and whatnot. Doing the deal. Don't like to see the trucks in the ditch. You know. Looked like that guy was, one guy was bobtailing. They already took his trailer out of the way. The other guy, he's got a flat deck that's empty, so. Give me the keys! Bye-bye! Just hit the NAS.
They were still only doing the speed limit, though.
Well, don't tell everybody that. It kind of looked like we were giving them a bit of heat there for the moment.
Look at this. Nothing up here.
We'll say, oh, really? You just got me because I hit overdrive, that's all.
I don't know if anybody else has a 210 Pilot, but mine has an emergency brake at the side of my driver's seat. If you pull it on, you can still drift it. I was doing it all night last night.
It's a fun thing.
No,
Yeah, it's a push to apply and push to release.
no, I had it installed. I can't show you.
I cleaned up the VTEC solenoid on this thing now and started using Supreme oil or synthetic oil. So, you know, just feed her the onions. She'll go around.
Mikey, tell your dad.
Then the traction control kicks in, shuts the throttle off.
Mikey,
Suck the beat.
tell your dad. We were drifting. Corey Lynn doesn't watch these videos, but she could tell you we were drifting. Every time we pulled out of the pizza place, we were drifting. It was great.
Oh my God. You say drifting to Corey Lynn, she thinks you're giving somebody a right hook. She wouldn't know she was drifting. Sailing, paddling, using an outboard motor or what?
I don't know if I can see it, buddy.
What's up?
He wants us to see the last three numbers of the van's plate.
For what reason?
327.
No. Maybe we'll easy there.
Maestro.
Keep her between the fences, bud. Ricky Van Sheldon told you that. Keep her between the lines. Raj Pura.
I don't mean to be that person, but this is the third pair of wipers in 24 hours, and you see this spot right there? Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. They're the spoilers on it. And the wax windshield. They're bound to pop.
No, Mikey. Tell them what they are. Tell him,
big
Mikey.
rock singers. We got gold and
Joke.
riggers. Oh, better not sing, so we'll copyright the video. Just about any time here in the next month and a half, we're gonna start pulling cars around, start gutting them out for derbies and Enduros. Find the schedule and whatnot. IFD's picked up a couple derbies around town. So, you know, other than the exception of Lansdowne, if they get any more closer, might have to go run one of their shows, help support the boys. You know, a few promoters around town that's got derbies here that really should be shot and pissed on. A few coming out of the west there, coming down this way, making their way around. Ironworks, gunpowder, all the hell.
Oh,
On the way back there, we're gonna, Mikey just pointed out, there's a car off on the ramp there. So we'll point that out to you, or pull off, let you see it. And again, not a lot on the 401 right now. Definitely got this pressure washer. Clean them wheels out. And Mikey, he made enough last night there with his new plowing company there. He went out and plowed a bunch of driveways there. He used his crock plow, V-plow. I'll change the angle here so you can see her in the light. He's got that crock plow there. We don't want to copyright anything, but you know, being orange, it definitely would support Arctic. So you hook them there on your toes and you go along and kind of kick the snow this way and that way. Well, he plowed 3 driveways. It only took him 7 hours. Good thing they were only the length of a wheelchair, but anywho, he thought he was doing a great job. Made himself a whole $3. When he tried to buy a can of pop and a chocolate bar, store clerk had to say to him, "No, I'm sorry, son, you need to get more money." He sold his crocs not long after. Kept the blades because he figured that, you know, it was his crocs that was making him lose money. Anywho. Oh. We got somebody e-logged or broke down. Maybe they froze up. Who's to say? Probably e-logged. Missed pulling off and going into a carpool. No, we'll just e-log on the side of the 401. Make everybody drive on the brakes, start the collision, and we'll pull away like, oh, I wonder why that happened.
it's not exactly how that works, but
Okay. Well, what happened there? You freeze up.
no, the e-log thing doesn't work that way.
No. Well, let me guess, your Mrs. Heavy Hauler now?
No,
Yeah, I know. Jesus, look at that way. Gloucester and Woodruff, everything else. This way, bare, wet. My God, must change townships.
or drifting. Either
Yeah.
that way versus this way.
Well, we're gonna shut her down here. We'll catch that guy that put her in the rhubarb on the way back. But as for now, you can see up 401. She's still pretty good. Way to go, guys. We'll catch you on the return side. So anyways, as we told you, welcome back. We're going out on the 401 here. We got a little bit of commotion here. We got maybe an Odyssey or something out in the ditch here. We'll go get it. see if I can get her out. Take a slow truck by. Definitely a Honda. Looked like to come around a little heavy. Well, bless a touch. Well, they barely missed the sign. Smokies are here. Coming a little heavy, that's what happens. There's a guy that made his pile on the binders. We'll give him a little salute. Hi, thanks a lot, ditch pig. Maybe I should pile on the binders in front of her, give her a brake check. Then I'll have to buy the car for $50 a Derby.
This is actually amazing. There's nobody in the rhubarb.
Last week we come up here, just up here by Camden East 133 cutoff. There's a Greyhound facing the opposite direction off of the rhubarb. I think there's a video floating around out there somewhere that was taken. Had a transport in the ditch here.
Transport trying to jump the median.
Yeah, trying to jump the security pull through there. Emergency pull through. Not security, sorry. Anyways, look at the road here, boys and girls. It's pretty much dry. A little bit on the outside there, but that's cool. That's just where we pull in and, you know, cool the tires down, take silicone off. We're trying to throw some snow out in the ring here because we got a bit of a vibration going on, but she's hanging on like an Ethiopian on a piece of bread.
Just saying, if I had a good mechanic.
Just saying, when you pressure wash the vehicle, you know, we often forget that we do the bottom side of the tire. Don't drive ahead about a foot. Do the top side of the tire. No, we glossed out the bottom of the rim there, so 180 degrees of the debris that builds up is gone, but the other half is, you know, of course, you get out on the road and your steering wheel's got treads under it.
Or you just don't let your husband drive your car.
Well, that too. I don't always take that as punishment, though. I mean, you know, this old pilot here. Yeesh. Not a bad vehicle. Works good in the snow. Hats off to it. Of course, being a Honda, don't have enough power to spin itself out anyway, so. I can just imagine all you Honda lovers out there saying, yeah, bull crap to you too, yada yada yada.
Most do, anyways.
Oh, yeah. Mama's running the camera today and getting some feedback in there. Colorado's, if you like hearing her voice on the camera as opposed to mine, but like I've said in plenty of the videos, my voice will put you to sleep. It's a lot like watching paint dry. So why don't you throw down a couple comments there if you like Mama being, you know, kind of an announcer or a commentator or whatever you want to call her.
Don't do that.
I know you got it inside. When you're behind the camera, just spout now. It's better.
Tits is having a bad hair day.
Yeah. She gets FM on that hairdo.
Braden,
Of course, he ain't much better. He gets Sirius satellite radio.
Braden,
Say hi to the people out there in YouTube land. TikTok, Instagram. No Instagram. Got rid of that. Too many ladies.
Spanky don't want to be seen either.
Too many ladies coming on there asking me to be friends and get up and close and personal. Sorry.
I will say though, either we didn't get a quarter of what we were supposed to, Toronto got hit harder because the crashes and craziness that went on up there, around there, not just in the town, not just in the city, but around there. We don't have that here, and it's quite surprising because we're between Odessa now and Switzerville Road, and I'm seeing nothing.
Probably got 4 or 5 inches of snow on top of the 2 inches we had. Not a great big snowbank. I can put a picture up that wifey sent to me. It was somebody opened their door up in was it Lindsay or Peterborough area?
Lindsay.
Doesn't really matter. Just up, east of us. So I'll put that in the video here so you can see it. They open their door and there's probably got 2 feet of snow up against it. And crashing into the doors in the snow there that you can see. I think we're pretty fortunate. We can bitch about Kingston all we want, but the fact of the matter is, not a bad place to live. Most days it looks better in the rearview mirror, but that's cool. Thus far, we're, doing pretty good. Haven't seen nothing off.
Intelcom van.
Well, yeah, Intelcom van back by Center Road there. Or at least it's white caravan. It don't necessarily mean it's Intelcom, but anyways. I know yesterday I thought I was doing something good, bought wifey a pair of Bosch Clearview wiper blades to put on. Yeah, they lasted all about 5 minutes. Piece of junk. Not strongly recommended. So I went up to the shop today and got a pair of Trico Tex.
Now, for anybody that lives around here, y'all know that between Odessa and Napanee, there is always people in the ditches. As you can see, there's nothing this far. Now, we will be coming up by the on route, and on the other side, we'll tell the story. Don't wash your car.
Well, I'm not sure. We're starting to level out here. I'm not sure if we lost the tire or we lost the snow at home. Spoke to something. It's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back, y'all.
Shit, I missed it.
Hello, everybody. We're just going for a drive up 401 here, see if we can find anybody out in the rhubarb. Doesn't look too promising, though, considering the snowplows here in Kingston, Ontario have done a tremendous job there. We got a lot of snow dumped here in the last 24 hours. Hats off to the road crew, maybe the personal plows that joined in and whatnot. You guys did an amazing job, and for that we're thankful. Look at, just a mere 24-hour snow, and we're going down the 401 right now, doing like 110. Clear as a bell, third lane. Well, needs a bit of a scraping there, but anyways, look at the width of the side of the road here. They got her all right back there. You could literally use that for a drift lane. We might try that after, but anyways, thanks a lot, guys. Awesome job. We're just cruising along here. Odessa and Toyota. Like, seriously? We can pay attention. We got people drafting people jamming on brakes. Nice job, asshole. We're gonna go out on the 401 here at Sydenham Road. See if we can get you a nice shot of the van that's in the ditch here.